Welcome back to Deck Trains, week 58. And now for something a little different, but it's the same as it has been all month. We're doing USA models, even more Bachmann models, the GP-30s, now in a Chessie livery. Yes, I converted a few of these Bachmann undecorated GP-30s to what I wanted to see. And these are a Chessie B&O number 4350 and a Chessie B&O number 3001. These are more of those infamous Bachmann split frame cracked gear locos that I converted to DCC with the early MRC chip. And how about continuing with the early MRC Command controller and run them around a bit. So we've got a front range 4140 trailer on flat car and a front range articulated front runner unit. Part 2, we're going to add some more of the same plus some trailers. Well, part 2 is not really going to happen. These lightweight plastic units look great, don't run so well. Oh, wait a minute, you forgot something, guy. Yeah, they don't run well on the R2 curves. They're really designed for 36 radius, and you can only trim so much plastic away to keep them running. On this layout, our locomotives were really close together in their scale speeds, but they're very different from their full-size counterparts. Chessie 3001 averaged 50.25 miles an hour, while Chessie 4350 averaged 51.15 miles per hour. These are both at 100% DCC power. Well, here's a final look at the Bachmann GP-30s we've been running over the last couple of weeks. Next week, we're going to do another Bachmann, the 70-tonner, and some more front-range articulated trailer train cars. Boy, you know, you'd really think I'd learned my lesson. Bachmann locomotives, plastic rolling stock that can't do tight turns. What the heck? It's all part of model railroading, right? So, tune in next week for that show, and thank you for watching this week. Good day, all.